How you doing? This is Mike with Innovative Door. It's January. It's minus 5 degrees right now, and this is garage door opener will not close. World famous Sears Craftsman in cold weather. Let's see what happens. Probably work for me. Nope, there it is. So we're going to diagnose this problem. Garage door won't close, probably a force issue. First thing you want to do here is pull the rope, disconnect this, and check the door by hand. We had done springs on this door, nylon wheels, and the door seems like goes up pretty smooth. So next we're going to start looking into the force settings. For all your needs, garage door needs, give us a call 630-673-0007 or 271-9343. Your one-stop garage door shop. There's the springs up there. Thanks for watching our garage door won't close video. Part 2 coming up.